What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell your rev points for cash. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock market investing or stock trading with zero fees, you can open an account with Trading212 and use the promo code from the description below to get one free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. So to sell your rev points to cash, from your homepage, go ahead and open the rev points tab right here in the bottom right. Now, once you're on your rev points tab, on this rev points section right here, you would be able to see what you can exchange your rev points for. So depending on your country, you would be able to see the gift cards option in this menu right here. So what you can do then is just exchange your rev points for gift cards that allow you to exchange the gift card balance for cash. Now, this depends on different gift cards, so just go ahead and find a gift card that allows you to exchange your gift card balance for cash. So at the moment, that's the only way that you can exchange your rev points or sell your rev points for cash on Revolut. If you guys found another option, you can comment it down below and I'll check it out. But at the moment, that's guys how you can exchange your rev points for cash or sell your rev points. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.